moisturizing.
Yes. So these are low pH products, which is very, very good. It's healing, a lot of healing, a lot of opening up, treatment products. And this collection, again, was specifically and exclusive for Avon. And it has, what does it have in it? Tell me again, what does it have in it?
Pomegranate, aloe.
Balancing. It is for balancing and good scalp health. How many people that you know of are worried about their itching scalp? Dryness on their scalp. What does this aloe do? It is for healing. It is for soothing. And again, it is replenishing. It is gentle enough to use every day. Should you decide to shampoo your hair every day? I don't. There are some of us that shampoo every other day, some once a week. And we have different kinds of hair. We've got very fine hair, we've got medium hair, we've got very coarse hair. This is good for all kinds of hair, which is really nice. It's free from parabens and sulfates, and it's safe for color-treated hair. So that's another really good thing to do. And so what do? We apply it to freshly damp hair, wash it, shampoo it, and then rinse thoroughly. And then our moisturizing conditioner, again, it's lightweight. You can use it to, this is very interesting. Someone asked about deep treatment, and you can actually combine two of the products to get a deep treatment. Anybody had any deep treatments for their hair? Done any deep oil treatments or anything? Yeah. Okay. Well, this is what you do. You take the conditioner and put a good dollop in your hand, and then squirt some of the serum on top of it, mix it, apply towards the ends, or mid-shaft to ends first, work your way through, and then the top. And then if you want to wrap it in some kind of cap, shower cap, or what she said, even microwave a towel for 15 seconds to get it a damp towel to give a warm, deep treatment, but let it treat for about 15 to 20 minutes. And so after you have let that kind of soak in, then rinse. And there's your deep treatment. So two of the products are used to do a deep treatment, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so then our thermal spray. And this, again, helps protect your hair from heat. How many times do we blow dry our hair? How many times are we doing flat irons or curling irons? So this, whenever you hear something, maybe you don't want it too wet, you don't want to hear your hair sizzle, but this is also strengthening your cuticles for frizz-free hair. So you can add bounce back into your hair. So for instance, if we wanted to, let's take this. This is the serum. I'm going to pass this around. And depending upon your hair texture is how much you use. So if you have very thin hair, anybody have thin hair? You use a pea size. Just squirt a pea size into your hand, and then again, rub it together, apply towards the ends, and then the last is the top. You don't want flat. People just don't want flat. If you put all of your treatment up here at the top, don't do that. Start mid-shaft, work your way around, and then I'm going to do that with her. So. And if you are medium hair texture, and I say she's probably medium texture, wouldn't you say?
Yes.
So I'm using about a dime size in my hand, okay? And so I'm rubbing it together. Don't mind me doing that.
I use it all.
Play with hair. Okay.
While you're playing with her hair.
She's so gentle. She's just so gentle.
Are all these commitments going in at the same time, so we're only charged one shipping fee?
That would be
Will they
nice
all
to
be
know.
shipped at the same time?
I'm not sure to that answer because
You
they
see how
come out
she's
and
doing that?
25
How she's
comes out.
putting it in? She's putting the
Yeah, I
serum
was just
in.
wondering if we gotta
You don't
pay
just
3
put it like
different
that at the top of your
shipping
head.
fees.
You
I
go
wouldn't
like
think so.
down like
All
that.
combined. I'm not really sure of that answer, but I wouldn't think so.
Okay.
I'll put a note on it.
That's a technique there.
Okay, so you see that what I'm doing, as I'm rubbing it.
Y'all-
And I'm telling you, you can absolutely feel the difference in her hair. And I want you to look and see the shine. Can you turn sideways a minute?
Sure.
Can y'all see the shine that is
the
coming
shine.
back in her hair?
Wow.
The
Looks
texture,
nice.
just feel that. Feel how
Very
that feels.
nice.
That is just amazing.
And this was not shampoo day, just in case y'all wanted.
Well,
That was the
again,
serum, but it-
that's another beautiful thing about this particular
Because that's when I
product.
would use it, is a day that I'm not shampooing.
That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah.
This can be used every day. If you want to get up in the morning and add some moisture back into your hair, you know, this is what you would do to add the shine that comes back
It
in.
comes right
now,
back.
if she
Look
were
at that.
wanting to add some, let's see, I've got, can you open that, Pam? I've got my
Oh, now her hands are.
But you can actually put this on top.
I was
of
gonna
it.
say,
I did that last
not
night.
a
yeah.
product from Avon, but that's what I've done.
Yeah.
And it's an oil.
If you were
And then you
gonna
can
want
use
to
it on your
add
hands.
some bounce, it's free.
I feel like yeah.
You know, you could scrunch, and your curl would come back to life. Okay. Yeah, well, you've got
You're
your-
a great
I have
stylist,
waves.
Laura. Look at you.
I have
You got some
waves, but
talent
not
there.
curl. So she giving me a little bounce.
Yeah.
You too, so.
Geez, thanks. Were you gonna share that?
On Facebook, of course.
It's
Thanks.
it's live.
Turn sideways, you can see how it actually kind of added that little
Wow,
bit
she
of
got some
bounce back to her hair.
bounce.
Didn't know I was going to the beauty shop today.
Oh yeah.
With the spray, also a good way to help sale and demo it. They did at Rep Fest for us. They had us spray it on the back side of one of our hands, and then they took the hair dryer so it would pull back before it got hot. It showed the importance of the heat protection.
Oh, that's
And,
good.
yeah, it took a lot longer for the ones that had the spray on it to get hot on your other hand. So that's
You're very
Edna.
good.
That was good. That was good.
Have
A
at it.
little damp right now, but
That's
honestly,
okay, but it, no
If-
offense, but it was dry looking when you came up.
It
and
looks
sat down, and
yeah,
now
it
it's
looks
not.
really it brought it back to
Shampoo
life. Yeah.
okay, so
It looks
y'all
lovely. Let me
see
see.
how
Come close.
magical these
Okay.
two products can be.
Yes, it looks nice. Great
I
job.
can't really test any testers in this, but I want you to try this.
All right,
serum.
bye,
So
guys.
put that in a cup.